Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can mask objects on CapCut PC. Select your video or picture or anything, go to the mask button and select the shape you want. I'm just going to select this heart shape, and to scale it, just select this bit right here, and you can also rotate it as well if you'd like to. For the rectangle one, you can even make it so it has like rounded corners. And once you're pleased with that, you can also feather it out if you'd like to, and just kind of like adjust it. And you can even add in keyframes as well. I like to add it up here so that I can move it from like very small to like kind of like a large one. I'm trying to like figure out where okay, there you go, like that basically. And it's going to add the keyframe by itself. So yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!